So today, do celebrate our accomplishments. Celebrate the APB events, the hours spent in ASG meetings, the work done on culture shows for global villages, the effort put into every player musical, the feats of engineering done during labs, the time committed to sports practices, journalism, internships, and countless other on and off campus activities. Celebrate the family, friends, professors, staff, and administrators who have supported us on this journey. But also, allow yourself to imagine and start dreaming about the world that you want to cultivate, a world that you can be proud of. Thank you, and go Broncos!